Hey guys, this is Jair from AlloyGator, the Real Bros Auto Pros, and I'm going to show you guys how to install an AlloyGator today. So the first thing is, for a Tesla, you want to have your Tesla adapter. So I'm going to come down here and put it on. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. So you're going to want to lift the car into, it reaches oh, sorry, I was recording a video. Oh. No worries. So, you want to lift the car so you have enough space for it to do a full rotation without scraping the ground or anything. After that, you want to take off the cap. And make sure you don't lose this, guys, because each car has its own different cap. After that, you're gonna remove the stem that comes with tire valve stem. Make sure your area is nice and clean that you're working with. Not gonna be putting so much lubricant on today. Just making sure it's nice and moist. And then we're always gonna start right here in the middle. So right now, try to get a different angle also, not just one angle. So I'm gonna come around this way. And hit a different angle now. For the end, what you're gonna do is cut out excess. Make a line right there where it meets at the end. And then you do a nice clean cut. After you do your cut, put it back. There's gonna be a lip right here. You're gonna put that between right here, and then there's a gap right here where you have to fit that little gator gator tooth. So I'm gonna slowly put it inside. And make sure it goes in there. nice and flush with the whole thing. Now you're gonna want to get your stem valve back, little stem piece. You're gonna want to put it back in here. And for a Tesla, the PSI is always gonna be 42. Not for this Tesla, but I believe for all Teslas, not just this one. Model Ys, I think even Model X's. Model 3s for sure. You're gonna wanna fill it up to 42. Let's see, what are we looking at right now? Right now we're at 20. Close to 30. We're getting closer to 40. $41, $42. There we go. All right. Now you're gonna want to put your little cap back on. And you're gonna need your cap, your AlloyGator cap, some super glue. Now, one last thing I'm gonna do is just go around it real quick. It kind of keeps me assured that everything is okay. Then I'm gonna clean right here. Gonna go fully around. And I'm gonna apply my cap, my AlloyGator cap. So, doesn't need much super glue. 2 or 3 drops should be fine. You get your cap and you put it on. Make sure it's on the right spot. You go hold it for like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7, 10 seconds. Should be all good. Now, after that, slowly put the card down. You guys should already know this. Voila. Check out the adapter and you're all done, guys. That's how you do an AlloyGator rim protection installation. Now, a couple things is that you have to make sure that you put your car in tow mode, so the tire is going in circles, because if you have your tire in park mode, it'll stay stuck and it'll be very hard for you to get those good hammer hits in. So make sure you put your car in tow mode, and good luck out there, fellas.